Welcome back to the Microbit course. I'm Helen. Do your students have a favourite cartoon? With the Microbit, we can learn how the different frames are put together and put our drawing skills to the test. This video is all about creating our own animations and putting them together with more complicated code. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create your own images and animations, assign an image to a variable, and create and call a function. Are you ready? Animations are simply a sequence of images shown quickly one after the other. We're going to create our own glowing gem. You already know how to activate different LEDs on the Microbit through the Show LED block from the Basic section. This time, we're going to use the Advanced section and take 5 Create Image blocks from the Images section to design our glowing gem. This is how they should look. Next, you'll have to create 5 variables. You can simply name each one after a number from 1 to 5. When you're ready, add those 5 variables to the onStart block. Then, attach each of the images we created earlier to a variable, starting from the image using the least amount of LEDs and going up to the image with the most LEDs. This is how they should look. In order to start our animation, we'll need an On Button A Pressed block. We then need to use some Show Image blocks from the Images section. Don't forget to select the correct number in the variable for each image. Your code should look like this. Let's try it out on the simulator. Does it work? Great! As you can see, creating an animation requires a lot of images. In order to stop our code being too complicated, we can create something called a function, which will call our animation when we need to refer to it. Choose Create Function from the Advanced section and name it Glow. Assign your animation to it to move all the images. Now all you need to do to activate the animation is an On Button A Pressed block and Call Function Glow. Simple and tidy, isn't it? Today we learned how to create animations and incorporate them into more complicated code using functions. This is a great opportunity to get students to look at the JavaScript they've been creating and take a look at how functions are used. Why not experiment and create your own animations? The possibilities are endless. If you want to take your animations further, you can experiment with the brightness of your LEDs. Look at this link to find out how. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll be taking a look at data and making our own step counter. See you soon!